We will make a simple soup today, with potatoes and grated carrots. You will need carrots, potatoes, butter, bay leaf, allspice, and salt. Clean and peel half a kilogram of carrots. Grate the carrots finely. Heat up a pan, and melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add the grated carrots to the pan. Fry the carrots for a minute or 2, or until they start turning yellow and become soft. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover the carrots in boiling water. Add half a teaspoon of whole allspice berries. Add 1 bay leaf. Cover with a lid, and simmer the soup gently. Peel half a kilo of potatoes. Dice the potatoes. Add the potatoes to the soup. Simmer the soup until the potatoes are soft. This will take about 15 minutes. Discard the allspice berries and the bay leaf, and serve the soup.